Now we're going to make our very artistic Christmas tree. So first, I have this round wire, thanks to Veronica. And now I put all this string. And then after that, I'm gonna do them one by one with this hanging ball. But I'm gonna arrange them in a Christmas tree looks. Okay, so I'll see you in a little bit later. Nice? Nice? Hey? Nice? Yeah? At least Mia likes it. Yeah, Mia likes it. Aling Tekya! Si Aling Tekya!
Dali, Mia, lakad tayo ganun. 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 Ganun, Mia.
Uh-oh, what's that? Hi?
Mia.
Nice. Not nice. Not nice? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Lakad. Ganun. Dali. Wala ka tayo ganun. Okay. Dun. Dali, baligin. Dali.
Look at this. Santa Claus. Santa Claus. Wow, nice. Nice? Hey? Turn the light on. Turn it on. See? Mix the light. Yay! Yeah, it goes in the mouth. That goes in the mouth? No.
Lakad.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. You're not supposed to bite them. Hang on, I'll take it off and I'll give it to you. Here. Done. No more. See? Don't bite it. You're gonna break it. Yeah. Hee 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 hee.
Ano lang yung ang bilog dito? Ha?